What's up, y'all? It's your boy Cowl 10, and we back with another one. Yesterday, Saturday, I went to go pick up another part for the Mustang, for the Coyote, aka Monica. And oh my god, I'm excited for it. I can't wait to see how it's gonna turn out and see how it looks with it. So let's not talk a lot. Let's just jump straight into it. But I picked up a 4-inch cowl hood, Cervini, I think it's called. Yeah. It is used, so it is a Kona blue color already. But I am going to sand it down and spray paint it black for now. And then, hopefully in a week or two, my rap guy hits me up just because he finally replied after like 3 attempts. He said he had a family emergency and he's going through a lot of things, family things right now. So once he gets through that, and hopefully everything goes well for him, he's gonna end up wrapping my hood the same way, half black, half destroyer gray. So besides that, I mean, you know, my project is coming along, man. And then after this, I got some other small little adjustments I want to do to it. So yeah, I mean, I got two major goals, and those two major goals are in the pricier side, but I feel like it'll be worth it later on, you know. I know right now, I had mentioned in my last video, if someone knows about anybody interested in a nitrous kit, brand new, a wet shot, then to message me to let me know. But I already found it by my guys from the barbershop actually is interested in it. So, and I know I have him on my YouTube channel. He's the one with the 10 color Mustang, the 5.0 10 speed as well, and he's interested in it. So hopefully he buys it and shit, let him enjoy it, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys the hood. This is the hood right here. It's in great shape. Is, you know, just dirty. That's it. I'm gonna start sanding it down and paint it black for now. See how it comes out. And yeah, I'll pick up the camera once I do that. I don't wanna, you know, I don't wanna record the whole process. It's just a matter of, you know, starting and finishing it. So yep. Alright, y'all. So I just finished painting it. Hopefully it looks good, man. Yes, it is rattle canned. It is canned, but you know, I'm about to install it. So I'll show you guys when I'm done installing it, or maybe I'll record a little bit of it. But it's just super nasty out. It's so windy, and the weather is not even. It's like probably like, it feels like it's like 50 degrees or something like that. So I'll record it after and show you guys the final results. Alright, man, real quick before my camera dies. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see the final result? Y'all ready? Nah, y'all ain't ready. Y'all ready? Watch. Bam. Y'all see this? Oh yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Absolutely freaking sexy. Oh my god. But now, y'all still gotta wait. Still gotta wait for what's coming next though. But man, I'm in love with it. So before my camera dies, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll catch you on the next one.
Flashing lights, flashing cars, flashing rack, flashing stars. All my game, all my style.